Children, I am taking exercise 11C today. Question number 1 I am taking, in which we have to multiply 3x, 5x square y and 2y. So first write in the multiplication 3x multiply 5x square y into 2y. First we will collect the constant parts, that is 3, 5, 2, and then variable parts x, x square, y and y. Multiply together the constant part, we will get 5 2 are 10, 3 are 30, and the variable we have here the variable x and x square, that means the 3 times x and the 2 times y. So we will have x cube and y square. So answer is 3x cube y square. Now we have to multiply 6 part. I am going to take 9xy plus 2y square and 2x minus 3y. So first we will multiply 9xy to 2x minus 3y, and then 2y square 2x minus 3y. Right in that manner, 9xy multiplied 2x will give the 18x square y. 9xy multiplied 3y will give the 27xy square. 2y square multiplied 2x will give the 4xy square. 2y square multiply 3y, and the sign is negative, so 2 3 is 6, y cube. Why y cube? Y square here and y here, so become the 3. Similarly, 2y square x is here and y square as it is. Here x y square multiply x will give the x square and the y, and 9 to the 18. 9xy multiply 3y, 9 3 is 27, x right as it is, y and y give the y square. So 27xy square minus and plus 4xy square positive and the negative, and whenever we solve it we get the minus 23xy square. So answer is 18x square y minus 23xy square minus 6y cube. So in that manner you will do question number 1, first and 6th part. Children, I am taking question number 2, second part, in which we have to multiply 9xy minus 5y to minus 3xy. So first we will multiply minus 3xy to 9x, I have written here. So minus 3xy into 9x will give the minus 27x square y. Minus 3xy will multiply to minus 5y. Minus 3xy multiply minus 5y will give the 3 5 the 15. X as it is, y and y multiplied together will give the y square. So we will get minus 27x square y plus 15x y square is the answer of this question number 2, second part. Now taking question number 5th, ax minus b and 2ax plus 2b square will multiply together. How? 2x will multiply to first to ax and minus b. I just multiply there. You can see 2x into ax, that will give the 2a square x square right here. 2x to minus b will give the 2 minus 2abx. 2b square to ax will give the 2ab square x, I just written here, and the 2b square into minus b, that is the minus 2b cube. So add together we will get the answer 2a square x square minus 2abx plus 2ab square x minus 2b cube. So in that manner you will do question number 2, second and 5th part. Children, I am taking question number 3, first part, c plus 5, c minus 3 we have to multiply together. So first write c will multiply to c minus 3, then 5 multiply to c minus 3. So first write c to c minus 3 will give c square minus 3c, and 5 multiply to c minus 3, 5 into c give the 5c, 5 into minus 3 give the minus 15, plus 3c plus minus 3c plus 5c, we will solve it, find the difference, that is the 2c, and the plus sign is greater, 5c is greater, so we will write the plus sign with the 2c. So c square plus 2c minus 15 is the answer of question number 3, first part. Now I am taking question number 3, third part, 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 2b, 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b multiplied together. So 1 upon 2a multiplied to 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b. First 1 upon 2b to 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b, second. Multiply together we get 1 upon 4a square minus 1 upon 4ab plus 1 upon 4ab minus 1 upon 4b square. Minus 1 upon 4ab plus 1 upon 4ab will cancel each other, we will get the 1 upon 4a square minus 1 upon 4b square. So in that manner you can do question number 3, first and third part. Children, I am taking question number 4, first part, that is a plus b, a minus b have to multiply. Write in that manner, a minus b plus b, a minus b. A minus b multiplied together give the a square minus ab. b multiply a minus b together will give the ab minus b square. Ab plus ab minus will cancel each other, we get the answer a square minus b square. Now what is the answer? A plus b, when we multiply a minus b, we are getting the answer a square minus b square. Just remember it. What we have? A plus b, a minus b multiplied together, answer is a square minus b square. A to the power 2, b to the power 2. Now second, a square plus b square, a plus b, a minus b. In the first part we get the a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Again a square plus b square, a square minus b square, we will get the a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. As because the power will double, so a square, the whole square, that will be the a to the power 4, b square and the square, that will get the b to the power 4. So a square plus b square, a plus b, a minus b, we will get the answer a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, multiply a square plus b square, multiply a plus b, a minus b. In the second part we just get a square plus b square, a plus b, a minus b, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Multiply together, we get the double of the power. A to the power 4 will become the a to the power 8, b to the power 4 will double of the b to the power 8, and the sign will be the negative. So in that manner you can do question number 4, first, second and third. Children, I am taking question number 5, third part, in which we have to multiply a plus 5, 3a minus 2, 5a plus 1. So multiply together a plus 5, 3a minus 2 first, write in the curly bracket, and 5a plus 1 in the last. So a 3a minus 2 plus 5, 3a minus 2 will get the 3a square minus 2a plus 15a minus 10, in the last 5a plus 1. Minus 2a plus 15a will give the plus 13a. Find the difference. The positive sign will be here, as because the 15a is greater. So 3a square plus 13a minus 10, and the 5a plus 1. So now multiply together 13a square to 5a plus 1, 13a to 5a plus 1, minus 10 to 5a plus 1, and we get this 15a cube plus 3a square plus 65a square and plus 13a minus 50a minus 10. Solving this, we get 15a cube plus 65 and 3 will get the 68a square minus 37, 50a and 13a having the different sign, we will find the difference. 50 and the 13 having the difference 37. Sign will be greater the number, that is minus 50, that is minus 37a and the minus 10. So in that manner you will do question number 5, third part. Children, I am taking question number 6, first part, that is m n to the power 4, m cube and 5m square n cube we have to multiply together. So collect the constant term first, 5 write first, collect the like term m cube, m square first, then n4, n cube. M power 1, m cube power 3, m square power 2. Add together, we will get the 6, m to the power 6, n4 power 4, n to the power 1 power 1, n to the power 3 power 3. Add together, you get the n to the power 8. Children, remember, whenever we multiply the same variable, the power will add together. So n 4, n1, n3 will get the n to the power 8. So in that manner you can do question number 6, first part. Now we having the sixth part, x square plus 5yx minus 3y square into 2x square y. Right, in that manner, x square multiply 2x square y will give the 2x to the power 4y. Multiply 2x square y will give the 10, 5 to the 10, x into x square will give the x cube, y into y give the y square. Minus 3 having the sign minus, so write the sign minus. 3 into 2 give the 6, y into y give the y cube, x square write as it is. So that is the answer of question number 6, sixth part. So in that manner you can do question number 6, first and sixth part. Children, I am taking question number 7, first part. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y multiply together. Right, in that manner, 2x plus 3y and 3y, 2x plus 3y. Multiply together, 2x into 2x give the 4x square. 2x into 3y, 2 3 is 6xy. 3y into 2x give the 6xy. 3y into 3y, 3 3 is 9. Y into y give the y square. Remember it, when we multiply same variable with the same power, power will add together, so y into y give the y to power 2. So answer is 4x square 6xy give the 12xy plus 9y square. Now we are taking question number 6, 7, fifth part, minus 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. So multiply together, minus 2xy to 2x and minus 3y plus 3y to 2x minus 3y. When we multiply, we get the answer minus 4x square plus 6xy plus 6xy minus 9y square. 6xy and 6xy add together 12xy minus 4x square minus 9y square, or we can write 12xy first as the positive term first, right? Minus 4x square and minus 9y square. So that one you can do question number 7, first and fifth part. Children, I am taking question number 7, 9th part. 3x minus 5y plus 2 multiplied to 5x minus 4y minus 3. So write in that manner, 3x into 5x minus 4y minus 3 minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 2 5x minus 3y 4y minus 3. Now multiply together, 3x into 5x give the 15x square, 3x into 4y give the minus 12xy, 3x into minus 3 give the minus 9x, minus 5y into 5x give the 25xy minus 25xy, minus 5y we will multiply together, minus 4y give the minus plus 20y square, minus 5y multiplied to minus 3 minus plus 5 is a 15y, 2 into 5 10x, 2 into minus 4y minus 8y, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Collect the like term, 15x square minus 12xy and the minus 25xy give the minus 37xy, minus 9x and plus 10x will give the plus x, 20y square right as it is, 15y and the minus 8y will give the plus 7y and the last minus 6. So that one you can do question number 7, 9.